overwhelmed with the support I have for my bill. You know, as most of you know, when I introduced AB 787, I hadn't intended that I would get as much support as I did, but evidently the pressure is mounting. I just wish that all of you who have been so enthusiastic about it could get into the building somehow and drag each member out here to show them what support we have, that the movement is on.